Hello, and here it is, a new episode, and this time we have a Nerf gun, what should have a red dot aiming system with the press of button, but the button is really sticky and obviously it did not work, and I already unscrewed the another half of the gun, and of course I investigated it already what is wrong, and yes, you have to unscrew the first half of the gun and the battery tray before you can get here where I am now. And I put the battery cover back to get the batteries inside of the unit, and the trigger is really sticky. It really don't want to move. It needs a lot of force. We need to somehow drill a bigger hole for the hinge part of the trigger. But the bigger fault is there. There is a tiny switch which is rusty, so there is some kind of corrosion inside of the switch. And if I press with my screwdriver the button, I can turn it on, but the button doesn't feel right because it has rust inside of it, and plan is now change the switch. And I think the first thing I have to unscrew the battery terminal again. And I think they probably will lift up like that. Oh, I can take the whole I could take the whole thing off from the gun, but I'm not sure do I want. There is switch, and it should be really just straightforward. Remove old and put new in. Yes. And my desoldering tool should be already warmed. I need something for the turning tool to get the old part off. bended the legs a little bit to get it held in place. Now we need to little bit apply a new solder. Just like that. Now switch feels right. Clicky. And now we have to focus for the trigger mechanism. I should have some kind of file or tiny drill. Well, drill is too small. Let's first try just file the hole a little bit bigger. I think it don't have to be much bigger, just tiny bit bigger to work properly. It's a little bit sticky still. Let's file it a little bit more. Could blow inside of the hole. Yeah, much better. But the plastic is so bent off that the trigger won't return fully, and there is too much bending on that part that it couldn't put enough force for the switch. So we have to little bit bend it, and I will heat it with my hot air station. To get it bended. We are going to do a little bit more. Kind of hard film and bend those same time. Oh, it bends itself when it's applied heat. Funny. Let's try it. Yeah. now it should be working. I just want to test it before really putting it back together. Or not. Why I test it if I know it is still going to work? It is waste of time. Yeah, everything is back. And now we just need to put everything back together like that. It looks right. And screw. And another one. I don't know, do you guys get that part, but inside of that plastic part is that metal square where is a hole and it is threaded where the battery terminal screw is going to be. So don't lose that part, otherwise you are not going to get the battery tray screwed back. It is important tiny piece. Again, fully operational. There is too much light, I can't show you the red dot pattern. I could try to turn the lights off. That is best what I can do at here bench. And wait a moment. Yeah, here is a little bit darker. Here is our Nerf gun, and there I can zoom in. Is our red dot aim. And it is now working as it should, and you can really hear. You can hear the switch if I now just press it. Really nice clickety sound. If you don't have that sound, you probably have a just bended plastic inside of the gun or the power switch. But it's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.